Heidi ho, everybody's. Okay, this is the first coin of today, so my hands don't look too bad. Usually covered in rubbish. Okay, this is a 1 Deutschmark 1975 coin. And today we're going to turn that into a nice ring. This is now called the penetrator. So, thanks Steve. Penetrator it is. Let's go over to Big Bertha and punch a hole in it. This is a 20-ton hydraulic press. How's everybody doing? Back to the grind, eh? Another day, another dollar. Not that the dollar's worth much anymore, or the euro's worth much anymore, or the pound. Okay, what do we got? Oh, Stacey, a bit tight. Well, the punch part came out with it as well. Right, that is good, yeah. Alles klar, alles klar. There you go. So, now, you want to clean it up with Christy Burr. This is my deburring tool. You just want to make sure that there's no cracks or splits forming. Otherwise that causes your ring to split. And who wants a split ring on a Monday? Come on now, behave yourselves. Right. Not very nice today, it's cloudy, drizzly. Still warm, got the fan on in the background. This just cleans up that inside edge. There you go. Nice and clean. Right. Let's show this puppy some love with Bernie the fire starter. I got a new gas bottle on yesterday because this one was getting a bit sad. This is called annealing. This just softens up the metal so you can, it's easier to work, softens up the metal. I worked in Germany when I was shipbuilding. I was in this one place called Lüneburg. I was there for about 4 months doing a riverboat. It was really good, called the Road to Mandalay. And yes, that's where it went. Right. I think we'll have this as the sunny side up on the ring. So we need a 17-degree folding cone. Oh, that does fit. Right. You just want to make sure it's level. That's pretty good. Well, let's go over to Big Red. Big Red is a 1-ton arbor press. And this is a 17-degree folding cone called Conan. Yeah, that's good. Ooh la la, cha cha cha. Right, we're going to clean up this edge now. Make sure. Sandy, get out Sandy. This is very, very fine sandpaper. If you're looking for a ring, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a few rings in there. There's more coming all the time. They're all in EU size. So if you want that particular ring, I can adjust them up or down the sizes. I can make them slightly larger or slightly smaller for you. There's a limit to how far you can go, but all I need is your ring size. You can also send me your own coins and I'll turn them into rings for you. Let's give this a bit more love. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for subscribing. Thank you very much. Well, 2 or 3 yesterday. If you'd like to hit the like button, I really would appreciate it. Helps me out with the analytics on the YouTube. And if you just popped in to see what's going on and you don't know what the score is, so I make coin rings. There's a little tiny red button about there. If you hit that, I'm hitting it, but it's not working. You hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Hit the bell icon. Blah de blah de blah. You know the score. Yeah, if you'd like to leave a comment, I answer them all. If you want any help or suggestions, things you'd like me to do, except bugger off, I'll gladly help you. This is Spike, my favourite tool. He stretches your ring. Oh dear, sorry. It's me, the way I am. Do I need help? I probably do. You give it a bit of a turn each time, that way you get the same amount of stretch all around the ring. Oh dear. It's Monday, I can't help it. And my girlfriend says, "You're so childish." I like being childish. I hate, you know, you get one life. Try and make it as much fun as possible. Focus, there you go. See them walls? You want to try and straighten them up. Of that, we go down to the bottom end of Spike. These are reducing dies. But I think, where's my other one? This might fit. Oh yeah. Not really. You could also use these 17-degree dies as well to reduce. And make sure it's levelish. This is what reduces the rings, makes them smaller and straightens up the walls. See that wall? Nice and straight. Focus, for God's sake. So there you go. This isn't for anybody in particular, so I'm not bothered about the size. But let's have a look. What size have we got? In EU size, this is a 61. Excuse me. But you see that inside lip? That has to come out, otherwise it makes the ring uncomfortable. So this is where we break out Christy Burr again. And here's Jaws. This is a 3D printed coin grabber named Jaws by one of my subscribers. Yeah, if you don't do this, it can be very uncomfortable. And it gives a false sort of reading on the size, because you've just got that little tiny, maybe 0.5 millimeter protruding. more. It's a little bit sharp in there. Yeah, you can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me, or leave a comment on the video. I do custom work. I make wedding bands. There's a video up a week or two back. I made some wedding bands for this Indian couple that I met in the summer on my market stall. So yeah, have a think about it. That's better. Right, just for fun, see if that dropped it down a size. Yeah, it's now 60. It's now 62.5. See, just cutting out that little bit of that little band has made the ring. Let's see. Right, let's break out Kate Bush. She's just back from the hairdressers. So she's looking a bit more respectable today. Just clean it up. Get the fire scale off. This is just like quad zero steel wool on the end of this thing. There you go. But I think I'll just give it a bit of a go round the edge. Look, it's a bit rough. Bit of sandpaper. I'm just doing the edge. So if you're looking for a custom ring, or don't forget Christmas is coming. These make great gifts. All you've got to catch is their ring size. If you can get their ring size without them knowing, which would be quite difficult, I dare say. But you can go to a jeweller's shop, and they'll measure your finger properly. If you get the bits of tape and string, it don't work. Jewelers do it for nothing, especially if they think you're going to buy a ring off them. And I'll go in there, give them the old baloney, and they will measure your finger. Right, let's give it a bit of polish. Much too much. Perfect. Right. I'm still waiting to hear back about my Christmas market. They haven't got back to me yet. I think there's a good chance I'll get there, but we'll see. When I find out, you'll find out. And then if I get anywhere, you can pop along and see me. I'll buy you a coffee even. And you don't even have to buy anything. It'd be nice to see you. I'd love to meet some of my subscribers. Right, let's break out Elton John. This is just a felt pad on the end of Dave the Dremel. These names have just got crazy now. Right, get a bit of a wipe round. Let's see what we got. That's a clean cloth. A clean cloth of foam. I feel like singing, eh? The trouble is I can't sing. I'm going to have a special thing in the next few weeks. But stay tuned. Right, what we got coming out? The old Tom Jones was on earlier on. The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train. Yeah, there you go. Not my sort of music, but he was a bloody good singer. Right, there you go. That's come out quite good. Deutschland. That's why you use the kitchen roll on the inside of the coin ring. Don't lose any of the detail. There's not a lot of detail in there, but what there is still there. There you go, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with a bit of luck. Tubby, bye-bye.